Good afternoon. I'm Miss Selhammer. I'm excited for my first year of teaching at Terrell's Elementary. Our school strongly believes in creativity and arts integration. Every teacher has their own style of teaching. I strive to guide the learning process while promoting self-learning, help students develop critical thinking skills, and retain knowledge that leads to self-fulfillment. I prompt my students towards discovery, which leads them to success. Creativity is defined as the expression of one's imagination that is original and appropriate to the task. Arts integration is an approach to teaching in which students construct and demonstrate understanding through an art form. Students engage in a creative process which connects an art form and another subject area and meets involving objectives in both. Arts integration ground in theory. Vygotsky believed that creativity arises from any human activity that produces something new. It is also existent whenever an individual alters, combines, imagines, or makes something new. He believed that creativity is something that exists in all people, including very young children. Imagination was also considered to be an integral part of creativity through its ability to support the production of new combinations of pre-constructive things. What does art integration look like? I had the opportunity to teach a lesson at a local child care center. This lesson was themed around leaves, where the students had the opportunity to explore the outdoors and then create a leaf rubbing with the leaf of their choice. This was one of their first times creating leaf rubbings. It was an enjoyable day for all of us. Benefits of art integration. The arts stimulate higher level thinking. The arts encourage an active, enjoyable learning. The arts engages students and motivates them to learn. I am looking forward to working with you and your child as we enrich their learning.